In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create name tags in Word. If you need a quick and easy way to make professional-looking name tags, Microsoft Word has a built-in label tool that makes the process much simpler. Instead of trying to draw boxes and line everything up manually, you can use a label template that matches the paper you already have. This helps save time and gives you a much cleaner result. To get started, open Microsoft Word and look at the top ribbon. From there, click on the Mailings tab. This is where Word keeps tools related to envelopes, labels, and mail merge features. Even though the section may sound like it's only for mailing, it's also exactly where you need to go for creating name tags on label sheets. Once you're in the Mailings tab, click on the Labels button in the Create section. This opens the Envelopes and Labels window, which is where you'll set up the layout for your name tags. If you haven't used this before, don't worry. The important thing here is choosing the correct label format so your text lines up properly with your paper. In that window, click the Options button. A new settings box will appear, and this is where you tell Word what type of label sheet or name tag paper you're using. In the Label Vendors drop-down menu, select the brand of your label paper. After that, choose the correct product number. You can usually find this number printed on the packaging of the name tag paper. It's important to match this exactly, because each product number uses a specific size and spacing. If the wrong one is selected, your names may print out off-center or on the wrong sections of the page. After you've selected the correct brand and product number, click OK. Then click New Document. Word will create a new page that looks like a table with dotted grid lines. Each section represents one individual name tag, already sized and positioned to fit your paper. Now you can start entering your names directly into each tag. You can also format the font to make the text larger, clearer, or more visually appealing. If you want a more polished look, you can insert a logo as well. Just make sure everything fits neatly within each tag area so it prints cleanly. And that's how to create name tags in Word. Once your tags are filled in and formatted the way you want, you'll be ready to print them onto your label sheet with much more confidence.